What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back in my bathroom one more again. And it's already been 3 months since my last link check, so obviously it is time. Today's actually April 12th, so I'm actually 1 day late from my 11th, anniversary. Let's see how far my locks have grown the last few months. Let's see if diet and exercise and just making sure that my scalp is healthy, my hair is healthy has been beneficial, or if I've just been wasting my time. So let's check that out. Of course, before we even get started with this link check, watch my last video, okay? Click on that link right above. Actually, no, before we jump into this, I have been doing this every 3 months, right? I've been doing a link check. This is episode 5 now, so this is actually 1 year of doing link checks for my hair. Let's go back to the first video and let's see how long my locks were a year ago. The front, let's just use this guy right here. Let's see. Okay, 10 inches. Guy is 11 inches. He's only at 10 inches, like 11 and a half. It's about 10 and a half, almost 12. I'm gonna say almost 12. We're averaging around 10 and a half to 11 and a half inches. We're almost to 12 in some areas of my scalp. So, as you can see, 10.75 inches. That's not so bad. I mean, I'm cool with it. What we're gonna do today, because a year ago I even did a measurement of a lock in the center of my head, so we'll do a middle measurement as well. I'm gonna take my hair down, see what's going on with all these locks with my face. So what's the first measurement? The front. Let's go with this one right here. He looks cool. He looks like he's ready to go. 13. This one is 13 inches long. And compared to last year, like the front section, that's 3 inches of growth in the last year. I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna let you guys know from a year ago, the measurement, and then what the current one is now. Okay, the right side. The right side. Okay, so the right side, we're gonna use this one right here. Right side, right side, right side, right side. Right side, we have 12 inches. Well, I mean, like last year this side was at 10, so 2 inches on that side, that ain't bad. This one looks long. Let's go to the left side. Wait, let me make sure I got this right. 13 and a half with a little bit of like a pull, just a little bit of a pull. Left side last year was at 11, so hey, we still doing good. Now, y'all remember I had Old Reliable, that really long one that was like 15 inches last link check. I cut him a little bit because I cut a few of my locks actually like over the last few months. I just haven't like really shot that or like did a video about it. There was a lot of difference between my different locks and I didn't want that difference. And so I kind of cut it and I had to cut that long one just to make up. So that measurement obviously is going to be affected by it. Now, am I too sad about it? Not really, but this one looks super long. It's also a combined lock that is still having some issues combining, but hey, I really don't care that much about all my locks being super, pristine or whatever. But let's see about the back right. Let's see what we can get here. 14 and a half. We'll say 14 and wait, hold on. Where's the root, Justin? Okay, there we go. So 15 inches. 15 on the back right. And last year it was 11 and a half. So that's what, 3.5? Yeah, 3.5 inches of growth on that side over the last year. Remember, if you're trying to measure your hair, you can't just take measurements from one place. You have to measure multiple areas on your scalp and get your average, okay? Use a little bit of your math education, okay? Do that. Help yourself. This one, I can't put it up because of 14 and a half. Last year was at 10 and a half, so 4 inches of growth on that side. And for the middle, I haven't been doing the middle measurement, but because it was in the last video, I figured I might as well do it for this one, so that way I'm using the same number of measurements. I'm trying to be as accurate as possible. I've never done something consistently for a year besides working out to where I can really get a before and after picture. So what is it at? Oh God, this is harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay. Oh gosh, okay. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong side. Oh my God. The middle is at 13. Oh my gosh, that was difficult. Okay, the middle is at 13. Last year was at 11.5, so 1.5 inches of growth there. Okay, I'm gonna do some quick math and I'll be right back, okay? Give me like 2 seconds. 13.5 inches, y'all, is my length now, my average. And last video, if you recall from earlier, we went to a little flashback, was 10.75 inches. My hair has grown almost 3 inches in the last year. Now, also, mind you, that means that my locks have grown about 3 inches in the last year. The locks, as we all know, it's matted together. It's hair that's been matted and locked up together, which means that there's lots of coils, there's lots of twists. My hair isn't like 100% straight. It's curly, it's kinky, so it's not going to be as long as it would be if it wasn't locked. So my hair is 13.5 inches locked. Just imagine if I took one of these locks out, like combed it all the way through, how long my hair would actually be. So I think that'd be actually really cool. So yeah, 13.5. Not too shabby, not too bad. If you're growing locks, or if you're in your lock journey and you really want to track your progress of how long your hair is doing it, measure your hair every 3 months. I think that's a good gauge to really see just how your hair is going. And it's enough of a time for, like, if you're changing your diet or your exercise or your hair regimen, that it's enough time in between measurements to really track to see if what you are doing is helping or hindering your progress. So if you try something new and then you notice that your hair growth between, like, say your measurement 2 and measurement 3 is much bigger than your measurement 1 and 2, then maybe keep doing what you're doing. Or if your hair growth isn't as much, then maybe look in the last few months and be like, okay, what did I change or what am I not doing? And then, look at the areas of improvement. I even made a video about how your diet and exercise affects your hair health, so check that out. There's lots of things in there about what to put on your hair, what to put in your body, what to eat, what exercises to do, all that stuff. It's really good information. I think it's definitely helped me with my hair growth this last year. And obviously the length would have been even longer if I would have kept that really, really super long lock, but I cut him out, I'm sorry, but anyway. So yeah, that's it. If you guys like this link check, give it a thumbs up. Click on that button, please. If you have any questions or comments about locks in general, how to grow your hair longer, there's videos in the playlist above in the sidebar. Check those out. And then if you want to follow me on social media, if you want to reach out to me on Snapchat or Instagram or Twitter, the links are all in the description box. Hit me up there. Snapchat's pretty fun. I like Snapchat. Hit me up on Snapchat, okay? Let's chit chat, okay? I like to feel the love from y'all. It's great, okay? And then lastly, if you have not subscribed already, what you need to do is click on that subscribe button, okay? Click on that subscribe button, click, right there. And then after you click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, okay? It'll let you know when I post videos, which is usually every Monday-ish, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes it's behind like this one was. It's been very busy, okay? I've got Easter. Y'all may not know, but I'm a music minister, so there's a lot of rehearsals and stuff I have to do, and so, like, this ain't my main job. Attention has to be other places sometimes. So, but that's it. We're done. Link check is done. I'm so happy with the progress. Thank you for watching and tuning in this week. And, last video's right there. Playlist right there. Subscription buttons right there. All that stuff. Click on it. Give us some love. And I will see y'all next time, all right? Peace. Be breezy. Keep it locked.